Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so we have a special collaboration today and it's with the Home Decor Luxe Club, Vlogtober, and this is being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So we have some co-hosts and let me go ahead and name them for you. So we have Miriam Creative Corner, we have DIY Design by CCW, we have The Rogers House, Amethyst Adventures, Creations by Simone, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what we have for you for Vlogtober. I am so excited. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Now, subscribing to the channel is totally free, and clicking that like button and for watching the video, that helps me to grow. So comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so it looks like we're ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. Okay, guys, so the florals came from Michael's and Dollar Tree, and the two floral arrangements on the back end, the red ones, those I DIY'd. The actual center vase there, which is so beautiful, that was something I DIY'd about 3 years ago. I'm still using it today, and it's very glamorous, isn't it? I love it. Now the smaller ones that you see on the table, those I also DIY'd. The charger and the plates, believe it or not, I got those at Dollar Tree. Now the grateful sign and the napkin holders, that I got at Hobby Lobby. And yeah, pretty much everything was budget friendly, or I created it myself. I think it's so gorgeous. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest. So I do want to thank the host, Allie from Glam Elegant Living, for hosting this collaboration along with all of the co-hosts. Oh my goodness, I think that this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.